Hello everyone, welcome to our class. In this lecture, we will continue with the plasma membrane. In our previous video lecture, we have discussed about the structure of plasma membrane. Under this, we will deal with the functions of plasma membrane. So, let's start with it. So, plasma membrane perform various functions. The very first function is it provide shape to the cell. ठीक है, shape to cell. Second, it makes cell a separate entity. Third, it makes a barrier between environment and internal content of the cell. Protect from the entry of pathogens and it help in interacting with other cells too. Okay, as we know that the plasma membrane have different receptors. Like if I talk about the blood groups, so on RBC we have special antigens which are able to recognize the particular antibody and then the interaction happen. So that was provided by the plasma membrane. And the most important function is it help in transport of molecule in and out of the cell, which is very important. Entry and exit of the molecules is facilitated by the plasma membrane. So this we will discuss in detail under this particular lecture, that how the plasma membrane allow the entry of specific molecules. First of all, transport of material across a membrane. So we'll see how it is going to happen. As we know that the plasma membrane is selectively permeable. It is selectively permeable. This is mainly in the case of the solutes. Solutes के लिए selectively permeable behave करती है and it behave semi permeable for water. Solvents, generally water. So mainly what the basic difference between these two? Let me explain that first. We can use both the terms, okay? But generally when we are talking about the cell membrane within the organism, then we use selectively permeable. Okay, all the biomembranes are selectively permeable in nature. So for example, this is a plasma membrane, and this plasma membrane has some pores in between. ठीक है, ये हमारी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के स्ट्रक्चर में कुछ pores हैं. And on one side we have the molecules which are to be passed from one side to the another side of the plasma membrane. In this way. So these are the different substances. ये सेल का आउट है और ये सेल का इन है. So what semi-permeable? First we'll talk about that. Semi-permeable means the size of the pore will allow only the molecules which are of its size. ठीक है? It's not going to select either it is required by the cell or not. Semi-permeable, it's allowing those molecules only which have the specific size to enter into the cell. Okay, so these can easily enter into the cell. They can cross the membrane due to the semi-permeable nature. Selective, now this can also pass, this can also pass through the pore, this can also pass. But in the selectively permeable nature, it will not allow those substances which are not required by the cell. Okay, so that type of selective nature is of the plasma membrane. It won't allow anything like this. ठीक है, जो जो चीजें required हैं उनको ही वो आने देगी. Either they can pass or not. That would be selective. So generally the nature of the plasma membrane is selectively permeable. When we are using it in within the living system, तो हम यही term use करेंगे. ठीक है, when we take out the cell out of the body, then we can use semi-permeable also. ठीक है, so we'll see this. Now we'll see the movement of the molecules in and out of the so we have this bilipid layer of the plasma membrane. Fine. Now this is having some channels in between of the proteins. So this is the one. Okay. What are they? Let me label this. Lipid bilayer. Okay. Tunnel protein. Just wait a moment. Tunnel proteins. Carrier protein. Fine. And these are the substances which are to be passed from the or which are to be transported across the membrane. If the movement of the molecule is taking place smoothly without any requirement of energy, without the help of any protein in that way, like this molecule is moving directly through this channel and reach this side. So this type of movement, इस केस में कोई एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं हुई, ये मॉलिक्यूल क्रॉस करके इंटरनल प्रोटीन्स की हेल्प से मेम्ब्रेन के इस तरफ आ गया. दिस टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट इज कॉल्ड सिंपल डिफ्यूजन. ठीक है, फ्रॉम इट्स हायर कंसंट्रेशन टू इट्स लोअर कंसंट्रेशन विदाउट द यूज ऑफ एटीपी. सेकेंड केस में दिस मॉलिक्यूल is firstly going to bind with a protein. एक कैरियर प्रोटीन है. ठीक है, मान लो यहाँ पे एक कोई कैरियर प्रोटीन है, लगा लो इसके साथ कोई स्ट्रक्चर है यहाँ पे, ये इसके साथ बाइंड हुआ पहले और इस कैरियर प्रोटीन की हेल्प से ये मेम्ब्रेन की इस तरफ आ गया. ठीक है, और सिंपली दिस बाइंड्स विद दिस कैरियर प्रोटीन, दिस फैसिलिटेट ओनली. ठीक है, इसके साथ ये अटैच नहीं रहेगा, एक बार सिर्फ उसको मूव करने में हेल्प करेगा without the use of energy. This is also so in this case, like where the molecule is moving with the, हम इस चैनल को थोड़ा सा ऐसे बना देते हैं. ठीक है, so this is coming or facilitated by the protein. This is the protein carrier protein mediated transport और अ फैसिलिटेटेड डिफ्यूजन इट इज. ठीक है, ये प्रोटीन इसको हेल्प कर रहा है मूवमेंट करने में. सो दिस इज द फैसिलिटेटेड डिफ्यूजन, फैसिलिटेटेड बाय सम मॉलिक्यूल्स. ठीक है, अकेला नहीं गया, साथ में कोई इसको छोड़ने आया है यहाँ पे. दिस मच, बट एनर्जी इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. फैसिलिटेटेड डिफ्यूजन. इन दिस थर्ड केस, the movement of molecule is can be with the help of the carrier protein, but it require energy, and this type of movement is active movement. ठीक है, energy required, ATP movement करवाने के लिए, so that is active. So the transport of material across the membrane can be done by two ways. Without the use of energy is passive movement. With the help of energy is active movement. Fine. So diffusion is one way of the transporting the molecules, and the another way by which the water molecules move across the membrane, that is osmosis. Fine. And if the molecules are of bigger size and energy is also required in them, then that type of movement, specific names are given to them. Active है, active transport में ही आता है. That is for the movement of the bulk molecule, bulk molecules की जो ट्रांसपोर्ट होगी, द बल्क ट्रांसपोर्ट वी कैन से इट. ठीक है, द बल्क मॉलिक्यूल ट्रांसपोर्ट इज डन विद द एनर्जी दैट इज एंडोसाइटोसिस. ओके, एंडोसाइटोसिस इज डन बाय अमीबा एंड दिस इज ऑफ टू टाइप, पिनोसाइटोसिस एंड phagocytosis. So this type of movement help the bulk molecule, the proteins or some bigger molecules, fat globules, to move across the membrane. ठीक है, that is by forming a kind of a bulges or vesicles to trap the molecules. That is done. So this is endocytosis. And in active movement, we have already discussed under the nerve impulse conduction that the sodium potassium pumps were there, and with the help of ATP utilization the sodium were crossed. Let me explain that part. Active explain करते हैं. एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. इसमें आएंगे हमारे पास सोडियम पोटेशियम पंप. So within the cell membrane, for example, ये हमारी बाइलिपिड प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है और इसके पास हमारा सोडियम पोटेशियम पंप है. This is the sodium potassium pump. So with the help of 1 ATP use, 3 sodium will be move out and 2 potassium will move in. So this movement of these ion is with the use of ATP, and this is active transport. Fine. So these are the functions of plasma membrane. Thank you.